Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Aliexpress and signing in. Once signed in, go to My Orders and find the specific purchase. This step reveals the order status. Make sure to tap View Details so you can copy the tracking number and carrier name. If the item shows Shipped, note the date and tracking. Doing this first saves time because everything else depends on the exact tracking ID, so copy it now and move to the tracking tool. Once done, paste the tracking number into Aliexpress tracking on the order page to see the current checkpoint history. You should also use the carrier site. Different couriers update at different intervals, and carrier pages often show more granular scans. Make sure to compare timestamps between Aliexpress and carrier data to spot delays or handoffs. If tracking shows in transit for many days, note transit hubs and estimated delivery windows so you can decide whether to open a dispute later. To finish, verify the delivery address in the order and monitor the last checkpoint until the status becomes delivered. If delivery stalls beyond the estimated window, contact the seller first with your tracking evidence. Escalate to Aliexpress buyer protection and open a dispute if no satisfactory reply. Make sure to also check your local postal service with the same tracking number for last-mile updates. If tracking disappears, that one key troubleshooting tip is to record screenshots and timestamps before escalating.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.